Hi everyone, this is Derek once again. Today I have a very interesting unit to share with everyone. This is a 4-bedroom dual key unit at Heron Bay, a newly MOP executive condo along Upper Serangoon View. Now this is the newer part of Hougang, where you find the newly MOP HDB blocks as well as the newer condominiums in this vicinity. Heron Bay is strategically located just a few minutes away from amenities such as Punggol Park, Northeastern River Ride Loop, as well as the park connectors along Sungei Serangoon. Take a short walk across the road and you will find convenience stores for you to get your groceries such as NTUC Fairprice, Foodfare, and other shops across the street. Alright, right over here is the entrance to this 4-bedroom dual key unit. On one side will be the studio and the other side is the 3-bedroom unit. This 4-bedroom configuration will be perfect for multi-generation families or even for renting out the studio for passive income. The house is tastefully renovated, in good condition, and you can move in without spending extra money for renovations. This unit is perfect for people looking to upgrade from their current HDB flats or for families with multi-generations living under one roof. For parents, there are many reputable schools that are just a stone's throw away. CHIJ, North Vista Secondary School, Holy Innocent High School. Rest assured with quality education for your children. Heron Bay is a newly MOP executive condominium that is close to town. Just a 5 minutes drive from major expressways such as KPE, TPE. Stay connected by choosing Heron Bay. Being a 4-bedroom dual key unit, this property presents a very viable investment opportunity. Rent out your studio unit for a market rate of over $1,500 a month, and that easily covers almost half of your monthly mortgage payment. Alright, that's all for today's property showcase. If you happen to be looking to buy or sell a property like this, look for me. Once again, I'm Derek Tan from PropNex.